Good morning, everyone. I'm Monica Ciolacu, and today we'll introduce you our paper, Education 4.0 AI-Assisted Task and Time Planning System. About me, I have a diploma in electronics telecommunication from University of Polytechnica Bucharest. I also received my PhD in engineering, electronics, communication, and information technology with magna cum laude from University Polytechnica of Bucharest. My PhD thesis is Adaptive Framework for Computer-Based Learning Technology. I currently work as postdoc researcher at Education Science Department of University of Passau. I'm author of more than 30 scientific papers and expert member of various association organizations such as Women in Engineering from IEEE, SITME, Social Media Chair, Learning Analytics Community Germany, Learning Lab for Digital Technologies, and IEEE Global Engineering Education. From 2016 and 2021, I work as education researcher and project management at Technical Institute of Technology. And from 2001 to 2008, I work as webmaster product marketing department at Control Embedded Modules, Germany. Sometimes it takes a crisis. Artificial intelligence is a new electricity. Due to enormous number of upskill and reskill of employees expected in the medium term and increasing STEM professional needs, traditional teaching and learning methods are reaching their limits. Engineering Education 4.0 and post-COVID-19 needs a curricula 4.0 and hybrid teaching and learning scenarios adapted to the new way of work. As a motivation, with Gartner Top Strategic Technology Trends, the socio-economical challenges of 2020 demand the organizational plasticity to transform and compose the future. The Gartner top 10 technologies are selected for their benefits and broad potential impact. They enable organizations to capitalize COVID-19 disruptors. We have people centricity with Internet of Behaviors, total experience strategy, privacy enhancing computing, location independence, distributed cloud, anywhere operation, cybersecurity mesh, and also resilient delivery with intelligent composable business, AI engineering, and hyperautomation. And employees return to companies after pandemic and they notice few differences. Sensors and RFIDs, tags, computer vision, collection of data from different sources, collaboration, mobile connectivity. A second motivation was also Digital Euro Program 2021-2027. This aims at reinforcing Europe capacities in areas of strategic importance, such as supercomputing, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity and trust, advanced digital skills, and ensuring the wide use of digital technologies across the economy and society. The new wave of AI-based innovation will impact not only digital products and services, but also traditional industry and will help to improve people's lives. We saw a parallel between industry and education. We start Industry 1 with steam engine mechanization, and parallel its first printed learning book. A second industry revolution was mass production with electric power, and in education, teaching machines and auto tutors, 1965. Third revolution in industry was electronics, computer automated production, and on the other side, e-learning and MOOCs from 1995 to 2013. A fourth revolution in industry was smart factory and big data, networking, autonomous, self-configuring, self-controlling, knowledge-based, sensor-based, special distributed production knowledges and resources, including planning and control elements. And It was 10 years ago, 2011. And on the other side, we saw in Education 4.0, 2016, with adaptivity to the individual level of knowledge, chatbots for specific learning topics, machine learning, game-based learning, community of practice, learning analytics, mobile connectivity, and e-assessments. Academic Education 4.0 has an important role, and which artificial intelligence will play an important role. It means we have this flower with mobile connectivity, community of practice, motivation-based game learning with VR and AR, learning process personalized, active students, future performance prediction with continuous improvement, such as learning analytics, learning modules which adapt to student knowledge and adaptivity, advice and support, intelligent teletutor and chatbot, evaluation with neural networks. These are helping students to they are offering students new drivers of students' performance, early disengagement recognition, adopting personalized learning, answering routine questions, using learning analytics, identifying patterns in data, and provided predictive models. In the future will be characterized as small devices delivering increased digital services everywhere. So let's start with Engineering Education 4.0 technologies. We have adaptivity with passive or active, adaptivity for personalized learning experience and active learning. We have mobile connectivity with community of practice from students to students, also in asynchronous modus. We have advice and support, learning process individualized for different styles with an interactive book or video, self-regulated learning, self-monitoring, and AI assistant time and task planning system. We have gamification, motivations through game-based learning, badges, level of knowledge, hands-on immersive learning experience with AR and VR devices. Learning analytics, education data mining for identifying patterns in data, inform students at risk in advance, error recognition system for disengagement alert. E-assessment text semantic analysis with word embeddings or assisted AI-assisted corrections for exams or essays with search in paragraphs with word2vec. And at the end, but not the last, Internet of Things with sensor-based learning, biofeedback, privacy issues, and AI ethics and multimodal data from wearables. Education 4.0 process, where has 7 stages: orientation and goal settings, digital preparation, interactive presence, collaboration, follow-up on performance, reflection, motivation, evaluation, and examination. And the students are going from digital preparation until follow-up stage. And when they finish, they go up in digital preparation. The same also for the next chapter, reflection and motivation, go back to digital preparation. So let's take a look into the AI assistant smart blended learning for Education 4.0 process. We have a connection between learning, IoT devices, health, and AI. Our AI time and task planning system, it will be based from the beginning on in orientation and goal settings stage. We have entry knowledge test, activity diagram, strategic learning and planning, a student model as a digital twin, but also biometrics can be used in this stage. We have also digital preparation with learning styles, interactive book or video, adaptivity, knowledge graphs, and voice search. Professors, coach, working groups, lab experience with haptic devices, adaptive self-assessment, self-monitoring. Communities of practice, smart data from sensors, immersive experience, interaction with learning objects in 2D or 3D environment. follow-up on performance, chatbot as intelligent teletutor with extracted knowledge from script, professor available for complex questions, smart data from sensors, and time management. Reflection motivation with learning analytics, early alert system with individualized machine learning, wearable devices, smart data from sensors. And at the end, evaluation, e-assessment, searching, and text semantic analysis.